Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you ready to sell tickets on Gametime? In this video, we will guide you throughout the process of listing and selling tickets on Gametime. From account setup to finalizing sales, we've got you all the steps that you need. Let's dive in and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So, first thing first guys, is I would need you to go ahead and open gametime.to, as you can see right here. After you do so, what I will need you to do is to start and log in into your profile account. So click on login, and here you simply have to enter your profile or your email. As you can see, enter your email address to log in. If you don't have an account already, we will create one for you. So now since I have written that here, didn't allow us, so let's try to go all the way here to the bottom and try to find something that can help us with the app itself. Now the application can help you a lot, so because there is the Gametime for iOS and Android. If you didn't know about it, you can literally download the app on your iOS and you can create the accounts inside of it, which will make it 10 times easier for you to actually buy anything in your mobile phone. But since we are now on PC, this is pretty much difficult, since as you can see right here, they didn't really allow us to sell our tickets. So let me just try it again. Maybe we can delete this one. Yeah, something went wrong, please try again. So this is the problem with it. We can't really change anything here, but yeah, for you guys it might feel comfortable. Let me just search for Gametime, sign up. Let's do this, sign in. Let's try this out, and yeah, the same problems is basically receiving to me. Let me just open this website. Yeah, this is not the same website that we need. Yeah, it is not really working for us. But let's go through the article that they have made in the support team so you can understand more and more how we can sell tickets within gametime.to. So here guys, we have a full list of questions that might be occur to you or appear to people about selling tickets on this platform. So reselling special delivery tickets due to the special formatting of their cards. So let's click on this one. I would like to know more about it. So reselling special delivery tickets due to the special formatting of the barcodes, we are unable to support this resale of tickets that require an external delivery throughout our fan-to-fan resale program. Not to worry if you have tickets that require special delivery and would like to list them for sale. We recommend looking into other fan-to-fan resale platform for eligibility. So this is something that could be interesting for you. Now, odds of successful reselling tickets. Gametime offers a fast and efficient option for reselling your tickets. While we are unable to guarantee your tickets will be sold, their automatic pricing boosts the odds, and that means that the price set for your tickets is set automatically based on the current market. So basically what they meant right here is they are going to give you a preset of a price for your tickets. The preset will be based on a lot of data collection and their technology that will give you the best price for that specific tickets. That with it, the higher chances are the chances of you getting orders on the tickets are gonna be pretty much higher than you randomly put in a random number. So this is a very interesting thing. Then this process allows us to back all tickets on their platform by their price guarantee and improves the odds that your tickets will be sold. Now for the actual question, which is basically how to sell anything within Gametime. Now unfortunately I couldn't really show you that in detail because they have some bugs in their website which couldn't allow me even to create or log into my account for some reason. Let me just try again. Maybe I could like stop my here. Let me just stop this real quick. Okay, yeah, same problem. Nothing actually changes here. So even stopping my ad blocks or whatever they are, they're not really that helpful. But yeah, so for you to sell your tickets in here, first of all you have to log into your account. In case you had an account, that's perfect. In case you didn't, well, it's pretty much impossible to create one at the moment, since their servers or the PHP code is pretty much F-top. So here what you will need to do is, once you have created your account, you will go to my tickets. In there, first you have to check also the prices and the most popular event that are basically published or basically near. For example, here these are all the events that are pretty much near by me in London. So that means that these are all the events that people are actually hyped about and want to get the tickets for. So the odds of people buying tickets from you of these events are pretty much higher. And the best thing about it is, this is, as you can see, top pick. So people are picking these ones, and basically they are showing you also the prices of it. So here 191, 320, and 102. So these are all prices of different tickets. You can even click on them. So you can click on them and check the place where you are going to sell your tickets. For example, I'm going to sell my ticket in this place, which is like in this section. So it is section 249 in the, let me just, you can zoom in so you can check the row. Let me just zoom in real quick. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, it is in 7th row. So this seat is about $520. So if you had a similar place like that, you can sell for a similar price or even higher, or you can break down the price to make it around 500, so people would go for you rather than going for the $520 seat. So this is a very interesting thing. Now this one is selling per 2 tickets or 2 seats together. I don't know if this price only comes with 1 seats. I don't think so. So let me just log in like that. Imagine if this works. Yeah, for me buying, even if I try to buy, it will not allow me to buy anything from them, which is amazing. But yeah, even like when you try to sell or anything like that, you can have the dashboard that allows you to click exactly where you wanna sell your, or what is your ticket exactly. For example, here I'm going to say in section number 123 where the price comes out. So this is usually where the price comes out, I think. Yeah, this is probably the place. So they're coming out from here, so you will probably have higher chances of meeting players, getting jerseys out of players, saying hi to players, taking pictures. So this is even an expensive place to actually have. So this is pretty much expensive areas. You can find much cheaper areas which are in the top of the stadium, corners like that, which wouldn't let you see the whole thing. For example, here it could have like something in front of it that doesn't really allows you to watch the whole scene or the whole game, which is very bad. But yeah guys, that was pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys a lot, and I will try to answer every question that you asked me beside the login, because login doesn't work at the moment. So thank you guys, and see you guys in the next tutorial.